AMA Estancia, the first project. AMA Estancia was the first project we completed within this context. It represents the moment when our thinking began to change. Rather than approaching the project as an isolated object, we approached it as a spatial experience embedded within the landscape. We spent time on the site observing light patterns throughout the day. We studied how the horizon line met the ocean. We observed where breezes provided natural cooling. We asked how architecture could provide refuge without disconnecting from the environment. The resulting design emphasizes spatial awareness and calm. The architecture frames views rather than dominating them. Outdoor terraces extend living space into the landscape. Deep overhangs filter light and provide shade. Material selections were made to maintain continuity with the surroundings. AMA Estancia taught us that architecture can support emotional well-being through clarity and deference. It showed us that the most powerful gesture is often not addition, but subtraction. The house allows occupants to feel grounded. It offers privacy without isolation. It allows landscape to remain present. Research indicates that access to light, air, and natural views supports cognitive clarity and emotional balance. AMA Estancia became the foundation for how we think about identity in space. It demonstrated that architecture can support introspection. It can create conditions for stillness. It can allow individuals to feel more connected to their environment and to themselves.